Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to have a look at some of the CEO.CODES indicators that you may have seen on Tradingview on these charts here at the bottom. And we're going to take a look at how you get those indicators on the charts and how you set alerts to get live notifications to your computer or your laptop. So let's start with the pivot alert. This is a chart from yesterday. And if we open this up, we can see the signals that came, the long short. And if we press play, we can see what happened next. And the market continued short. So if we go with the daily pivot alert, let's walk through how we go from getting this alert from the CEO.CODES website to how we add it on a Tradingview chart and how we set alerts. So let's get started. First we go to the CEO.CODES website. You may have seen this before, and we have a walkthrough video on YouTube. You can go check that out if you haven't seen it before. And there's lots of charts on here and other good stuff. You can sit and have a look and check out which charts you think might work with your trading setup or strategy. And if you scroll down, you can see the YouTube walkthroughs. And we want to click here, step 1. And that's where we go to the indicator list. And you can check out descriptions of all the indicators, what they do, how they're different, and how it might work for you. So if we go down and look for the pivot alert, here it is. We click on this. Once this opens up, it gives you a bit more of a description of the daily pivot alert and how to use it, and also some extra charts. So we scroll down a little bit, we can open this up and get a better view at how the indicator is giving signals. Once you're happy with that, you can go down a bit more, hit the subscribe button. That will take you through to the checkout page. And on the checkout page, it's pretty straightforward. Just fill in your details. Don't forget to fill in your Tradingview username. We need that to give you access to the scripts because they're private scripts on Tradingview. You go through the payment system and subscribe. Once you've done that, you'll receive an email saying the indicator that you've subscribed to, and you'll receive a second email when your indicator is set up on Tradingview. You can go back to your Tradingview chart, and if you're new, it'll kind of look a bit like this, very plain. And you just go up the top here to the indicator settings and click here. And once this opens up, on the left hand side we want to go down to invite only scripts, and you will find the pivot alert in here. Here it is up at the top. We add that to the chart, and it's the same one we saw just before on made. Same signals. So to get these arrows on the chart, these little long short signals, they're set for a 15-minute chart. They'll be different if you set your chart time bigger. This indicator is a daily pivots alert, and it needs to be displayed over 5 minutes. So I recommend putting this anywhere between 15 minutes and a daily, depending on what sort of signals you want to receive. Personally, I like 15-minute chart. If you want to receive each one of these arrows, you'll see that they are a 15-minute arrow. So we click on this little button here and we go add alert. Under the conditions, it has an indicator name, Then we want to click here and choose long, greater than, value, and 0.99. That's the tricky bit. Now we want to set 0.99 because once the alert hits that level, you'll get notified on your mobile or laptop. So if you want only one alert, it will just give you one of these arrows. If you want all of the alerts, you have to click once per bar, and that will give you all of these arrows that you see on the chart. I usually pick open-ended. Notify on app. Show pop-up means show pop-up on the screen. And send an email. Now here I usually get rid of the settings and just put in the direction. So it tells you the indicator title, direction, what pair you've set it on, and the chart time you've set it on. CEO.CODES pivot alert, long, made BTC 15-minute chart. When we click create, when that alert fires, that's the exact message that we'll receive. And then we want to go back and do that exactly the same process for the short side. Greater than 0.99 once per bar. And then we just need to fix the text in the pop-up. You can put whatever you want in here. Okay, next, when you set these alerts, you'll be able to see these over under the little clock. And at the top is a list of all the alerts that we've actually set. You can see the ones that we did just then. It will tell you the conditions for the alert as well. Down here is the alerts log, and these are the alerts that have actually fired. So these are the signals that we're getting. Here's one from yesterday. It's on Aussie USD. Let's take a look. This is a different indicator, but just gives you an idea of what you're going to be receiving. So CEO.CODES C wave, daily, long signal on Aussie USD, and it was at 4:30. So let's take a look. It was long from 4:30. So any of the indicators we have, you can see a replay on YouTube. Go to our YouTube channel. You can scroll down. There's some other goodies on there too. There's a walkthrough of the website, how to set up your Tradingview account if you're new to Tradingview or new to trading, and how to add the indicators, and then each of the replays. So if we go down and try and find pivot alert, here it is. Let's open it up. And the replay just gives you an idea of how the alerts come in the live market. The replay is a lot faster than the live market, obviously, but it does give you some idea of what you're going to get. So if you like this video, guys, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.